In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to delete or close Opay business account. So I don't know what exactly you might be interested in, but probably you just want to close your Opay or delete your Opay business account. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be walking you through. So what you just need to do, just log into your Opay business account. You can see I'm currently on the Opay dashboard right here. So the next thing you're gonna do, just click on the three line at the top left beside the POS level. So just click on the three line, then it's gonna show this page just like this. So you have to scroll all the way down, then you're gonna see settings right here. So just click on settings, then it's gonna take you to this page under the account. So you see close account or delete account, in one of the two. So just click on close account, then it's gonna show a page just like this. You can see after logging you out, you will not be able to use your account again. So you're gonna see the account number right there. Before you close your account, Opay will carry out the following verification steps to ensure the security of your fund and account. So for account security status, financial settlement, credit settlement, unlink debit card, total balance settle. So once you confirm all this, click on confirm and continue. This is how you can actually delete or close your Opay business account.